Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my finished jewelry for the June 2023 dollar bead box. I loved this box like I always do. Excuse me, I'm trying to move something under my desk here. I ended up getting 3 tutorials out of it. I will leave all the links below to each tutorial. This is a monthly bead box that I get, and I absolutely love it. It's beautiful fire polish, check glass beads, all different, and then you get a few little other goodies in there. So this was one of the tutorials. I did these really cool I guess they call them shoulder duster earrings because they're kind of long. So I absolutely loved the way these turned out. I used my eye pins and just connected them, and then this was a head pin here at the bottom, and then I used just 2 jump rings, and then I had one of these twisted metal circles that I used, and then I just used an ear wire, and they're pretty. These are very lightweight, surprisingly, for all the beads on it. So yes, I did this, which I thought was really pretty. Those are really pretty. Then, and I will leave the earring tutorial below. Then I did this really cool dagger, can't talk today, dagger beaded necklace. I used those saucer disc beads, and I did put my little hematite spacer beads in between, and I used a few of my check glass seed beads, the crystal 8/0s. So I put those on here, but I loved those purple flower beads. I use them as spacers. I use a lot of these flower beads as spacers because when you look at it, look at all the texture on them, the bumps and everything. It adds more detail to the jewelry. And then I've had a couple people ask me where I got these little daggers. I don't remember. I have them from a while ago. They've been sitting in one of my bead drawers, and I pulled them out to use them. So I'm sorry about that. And then I used the seed beads, like I said, the 8/0s in between, and then the 3mm fire polish and round beads and all those. So I love the way this thing turned out. And then I used this table cut check glass bead. That was so much fun. This was a really fun box this month. Let me adjust my light a little bit here. Okay. Yeah, this was a really fun box this month. I really enjoyed using it. I love the way they give you like a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and sometimes only 2 beads, but you can, use them up for a specialty piece that you want to make. So I have that. And then this necklace tutorial did really well. I did this 2-hole, I took this 2-hole, I think it's called a pyramid bead, check glass pyramid bead, and there's 2 holes in it. So I intertwined the wire with the fire polish beads, and then I used, for the blue, I used the turquoise dark aqua, the 11/0 seed beads, because I wanted some blue in this. So I just took 3 head pins, and I made 3 little charms with the Hawaiian flowers and the table cut bead there, and then put it on a jump ring, and then I intertwined it. I will leave the link below to this video so that you can see exactly how I did it. But I love the way this video turned out. I mean, this necklace turned out. And then I just put my lobster clasp on it. Yeah, I think Dollar Bead Box is such a great box. I used these 3 rings again, like I did in the earrings. So they were kind of sitting in front of me from another project, so I just kind of pulled them into these 2 different pieces here. But yeah, I'm really, I love a Dollar Bead Box. I think it's a great subscription, and I get it every month, and I don't think I've ever been disappointed with it. So yeah, definitely check out the Dollar Bead Box because you get a lot for your money. I think it's $39.99 a month, along with, they have a special, it's like an add-on to the box, and it's 8 fire polish strands for $8. So you get 8 different ones every month, and then you also get a deal where you can go and buy them as many as you want for $1 each. So let's say you get a strand that you absolutely love and you need more, you can buy them for $1 each. So you could get 10 strands for $10. You can't beat that. So yeah, so this is everything I made. I will leave the links to these 3 videos below, and I hope you enjoyed this. I will leave Dollar Bead Box below. I will leave the link to all my social media, and please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell. If you hit the little bell, there's a little drop down and it says all, and hit that so that you never miss one of my videos. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.